Welcome to our guide on how to find the best mobile phone repair services in Seattle. If your phone is damaged, choosing the right service can save you time, money, and frustration. In this video, we'll walk you through the most important things to look for to ensure your phone gets the professional care it deserves. Stick with us to the end for an important resource that can make your search even easier. When searching for a repair service, start by checking reviews and ratings online. Look for consistent positive feedback from customers who've had similar repair needs. Pay attention to how companies respond to complaints or negative reviews, as this shows their commitment to customer satisfaction. A service with a strong reputation is more likely to provide high-quality repairs. Always confirm whether the repair service employs certified technicians. Certified professionals are trained to handle various phone models and specific issues, reducing the risk of further damage. Ask if the repair center uses original parts for replacements, as this can impact the longevity and performance of your phone. If certification information isn't visible, don't hesitate to ask for proof. Warranties are an essential factor to consider. A reputable repair service will offer a warranty for the work they perform, whether it's a screen replacement, battery fix, or internal repairs. This not only demonstrates their confidence in their work but also protects you from additional costs if issues arise after the repair. Make sure to understand the warranty terms before proceeding. Compare pricing, but don't base your decision solely on cost. While affordable options may seem attractive, extremely low prices could mean compromises in quality or the use of substandard parts. Balance cost with reputation and service quality. Ask for a detailed quote to ensure there are no hidden fees. Transparent pricing is a hallmark of a trustworthy repair service. Before making your final choice, visit the repair shop or inquire about their customer service policies. A professional repair center will have clear communication, provide accurate timelines, and be transparent about repair processes. Check if they offer diagnostics or initial consultations for free. Exceptional customer service is a key sign of a reliable repair provider. Thank you for watching our guide on finding the best mobile phone repair services in Seattle. We hope these tips help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and visit the article on Best in Hood for a comprehensive breakdown of the top-rated repair services in Seattle. See you next time.